Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SAP Concur how to use unused tickets. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using unused tickets via SAP Concur is easy. What you need to do is simply head over and open up your SAP Concur app and then simply tap on sign in and be sure to be logged in with your company credentials. And once done, what you need to do first is check travel section by simply tapping on travel to start booking your flight. Then enter your travel details as usual. Then the app may automatically detect any unused tickets linked to your profile if the airport supports it. Then look for the messages like unused ticket available during booking, and if the option appears, select or apply the unused ticket to your new booking. Then many companies require unused tickets to be applied manually. In this case, simply contact your company's travel administrator or travel help desk and provide details of the unused ticket or voucher, and they can apply the credit manually or assist you with the booking. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.